Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ansley Has Faith. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So today we get a first look at 4th of July at Bath and Body Works. And they're bringing back the Firecracker Pop candle. And it's super pretty with the red, white, and blue stripes. And then it has fireworks all around it. And it's just so patriotic looking. And as you remember, last year they came out with Firecracker Pop body care and the candle as well. So we do have the scent notes for Firecracker Pop, and the scent notes are a fruity burst of red cherry, fresh citrus, and juicy berry. And I remember last year I really liked this one, and I liked how they had a 4th of July body care line. They had like 3 or 4 scents, and they were all like red, white, and blue. It's really cute. And here is a look at last year's Firecracker Pop travel sized fine fragrance mist, in case you forgot what it looked like. So another thing we're seeing for the happy 4th of July Bath and Body Works line is warm apple pie. And this one has fireworks all over it. And it's more like a white look. And the font is red. And warm apple pie came out last year as well. So we do have the scent notes for that one. And it's baked Granny Smith apple, brown sugar, and yummy crust. So it sounds like it's a true bakery scent with the pie. I don't really like those kind of scents because I don't like it when you can smell the crust part. I like it when it's a sweet bakery scent. So yeah. So I probably will not be interested in this one, but the Firecracker Pop one, I like the looks of it, so I'd be interested in that one. Then we have a look at a super cute pocket bag holder, and it's one of those popsicles, the red, white, and blue ones, and sometimes they're called bomb pops, and sometimes they're called firecracker pops, because the original one was shaped like a firecracker or a actual bomb. And I always like these in the summer because each color is a different flavor. And this is super cute. It kind of reminds me of last year when they had kind of like a snow cone, I think, that was red, white, and blue. Well, this year they're having a popsicle, and he's super cute. I'm gonna have to grab him. And then we have a look at another pocket bag holder, which is a shark. And this one's super cute too, because, you know, when you go to the beach, you always have to watch out for the sharks. So they are a part of our 4th of July aesthetic. Well, if you're unfortunate, they would be a part of your 4th of July. Hopefully they're not part of your 4th of July. But he's super cute with his little teeth. And this is cute for year round because some people just like sharks. And they like the show, like that Shark Week, where they have all the shows about the sharks. So I just wanted to let you know the latest on Bath and Body Works for the upcoming 4th of July. I'll be sure to let you know anything else I find that's new. Subscribe if you're new, and thank you for watching.